Welcome to Echo Talks, the podcast where real stories teach you real English. If you want to speak confidently, understand fast, and express yourself clearly, you're in the right place. Let's begin today's episode. She practiced 50 interview questions. She wore her best clothes, smiled confidently, and walked into the room. But just 2 minutes later, her interview was over. What went wrong? One simple English mistake. A mistake that you might be making too. In this episode, I'll tell you what happened and how to avoid it so you can speak English confidently in your next interview. Let's begin. Her name was Meera. She was 23 years old, from a small town in Maharashtra. She had a dream to work in a big IT company in Pune. She worked hard. She studied. She believed she was ready. The interview started. The HR manager smiled. He asked, "Tell me something about yourself." Meera smiled nervously and replied, "Myself, Meera. I am completed my graduation. I am very hardworking." The HR paused. His smile faded. He nodded, then said, "Thank you, Meera. We'll get back to you." That was it. The interview was over. Let's break down what went wrong. First, myself, Meera. This is incorrect in English conversations. Instead, she should have said, "My name is Meera," or simply, "I'm Meera." Second, "I am completed my graduation." This is grammatically wrong. The correct way is, "I completed my graduation," or "I have completed my graduation." Third, "I am very hardworking." This is basic and sounds mechanical. A better way would be, "I'm a dedicated person who enjoys learning and taking initiative." Now let's learn the right way to answer that same interview question. Here's a better version Meera could have said. "Hi, I'm Meera. I'm from Sangli, and I recently completed my graduation in computer science. I'm passionate about learning new technologies and solving real world problems. I've also worked on a few personal projects, and I'm excited to grow in a company that values innovation and learning." Sounds better, right? Clear, fluent, confident. Here are 3 power phrases you can use in interviews. 1. I'm passionate about. 2. I take pride in. 3. I'm excited to contribute to. Use these to sound fluent and professional every single time. And remember, English is not about big words. It's about clear, confident communication. If you've ever felt nervous during interviews, or if you're afraid of making mistakes like Meera, then hit subscribe right now. This podcast is your daily English coach, helping you grow your confidence, improve your speaking skills, and never miss another opportunity again. I'll see you in the next episode, only on Echo Talks.